Hello, Paula Daniele from Crochet Hooks You here, and today I'll show you how to finish off, and additionally I'll show you how to sew in your yarn ends once you have finished off. So you'll need a pair of scissors and a yarn needle. So firstly I'll show you how to finish off. So once you've done your last stitch on your project, you need to cut this working end of the yarn and just leave enough so that you can sew in. So we're finished with the ball of yarn now, and to finish off it's just yarn over hook, pull through the last loop, pull that tight, and that's what finishing off is. And then of course you're left with your yarn ends which need to be sewn in. So you need your yarn needle, and you just thread them through your needle. And you're simply just going to run the needle up behind the stitches. Because you're just hiding the yarn end. And then you can cut that off. See, that's all hidden now. It can't be seen. And it's the same with any of the rest of the yarn ends that you have on the project. And then you're completely finished.